51 on the line. Chris McCarthy with Ben Nerday. Well, I can hear the Mazda Larudi engine master somewhere at one of the cameras. In the background. This is the serious run. I was going to say, that's full attack, isn't it? Looking great.
Not the back, dude. Not out of there.
Very nicely done through there, Secret. Really tried very hard.